So I guess I would invite Johnny Chung Lee. He's a researcher. I think he's now at Google, and he was at Microsoft Research during the initial development of the Connect when they took Project Natal and made it into Connect. And he's always he's just always doing cool things with mass market hardware as it goes mass market. And then I guess another person I would invite would be Blair McIntyre. So Blair, I heard him speak at Game Developer Conference in 2009, I guess. And he's been in and around the augmented reality scene for a while. He leads an augmented reality research lab at Georgia Tech. He's working in several different augmented reality venues. He's not just focused on one particular type of augmented reality technology. Someone from the Qualcomm augmented reality team. So Qualcomm just released an augmented reality toolkit last fall, and so if I were going to invite someone, I would go find the lead geek from that, and I would have them, because I have plenty of questions for them. I don't know, a really easy panel topic would be to just have a panel discussion around interesting things that have happened with the Connect in the last 6 months. So I would seed the discussion with some of the videos from the Connect Hacks website, just gather some of the different people that have been working in that space, and just see what happens. So my name is Suzy Deffeyes, and I work in IBM's Office of the CIO doing emerging tech projects. I worked previously in interoperability between virtual worlds, and now I've started working in mobile augmented reality. Well, I guess I see a lot of different sensor technologies that are coming out. If you whip out your mobile device today, you can see it's just practically dripping with different sensor technologies that, we didn't have several years ago. And I kind of see that trend continuing, that we're going to see a lot more sensors in our environment. We're also going to find a lot more things in our environment that are going to be connected to the internet. We have the Internet of Things. And I think that is going to, kind of change the way that we interact with computers, that it's going to be much more out in the environment, that we're going to be interacting with computers, kind of out in the environment, as opposed to, going to your laptop and having a desktop with application windows on it. That I think we're going to see a lot different user interface techniques, and a lot of different use cases that have to do with sensors and having everything connected to the web. Well, I've mentioned the Connect Hacks website. I tend to go there quite often, and when I look there, I'm not looking for all the cool gaming things that are being done with the Connect device. I'm looking for really bizarre, different things that are being done with the Connect device. People are starting to mount them on mobile robots and use the Connect device, driving around on the mobile robot to map out the 3D environment of the space, that the robot is in. And also, it's really going to change the way that robots navigate through 3D space. They've relied on image-based techniques, and now you have this beautiful depth buffer that you can utilize as well. It's going to really improve dramatically robot navigation. Another thing that I'm keeping an eye on is the QCar augmented reality toolkit from Qualcomm. So it's just a computer vision based augmented reality. So it's analyzing images from the camera and then recognizing in this case particular types of markers that have been trained and then augmenting content on top of that. And I think that it is a step forward in in that technology space of vision related mobile augmented reality.